Hello, little artists! Today we are going to draw a makeup palette, lipstick, and nail polish bottle. Let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a rounded rectangle. Now, draw another smaller rounded rectangle inside the first one. Now do the same shape at the bottom of the first one. Great! Now draw a big heart shape in the center of the top rectangle. Now draw 6 small circles inside the bottom rectangle. Now draw a small makeup brush inside the rectangle. Now, in the center of the page, draw a lipstick. Great job! Now draw a cute heart shape on the lipstick. Now, beside the lipstick, draw a nail polish bottle. Wonderful! Nice job, everyone! Our makeup, tools, and kits drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. Wow! It is looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color our drawing. Show your color pens. Today we will use beautiful rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Green color. Awesome coloring, everyone! Your makeup tools drawing looks amazing! Thank you for drawing with Toddlers Art Hub today. Keep practicing, keep coloring, and keep creating fun drawings. See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye-bye, little artists!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.